Remove Mac OS X and install Windows. Is there a way to completely remove Mac OS X from MacBook Pro and replace it with Windows 7? I'm not talking about boot camp, I'm talking about completely wiping disk of any files and partitioning it for Windows installation. Any BIOS, booting, compatibility problems. I know it's rare to replace Mac OS X for Windows, but I have this one situation where this is needed, so I would appreciate any help. Thanks.
No, Macs don't use BIOS, they use FE. Because of that, you need to use OS X plus Boot Camp to run Windows.
If you do a clean install and format your disk with a MBR, it should be possible to install without either OS X or Boot Camp. Also note that you will need the Windows drivers from the OS X disks. I haven't tried it, so I can't assure that it works, but see for X, 1, and 2, RESP.
Yes, it's possible. Insert Mac OS X install disk. This part should work with OS X 10.4 Tiger or OS X 10.5 Leopard disks. Reboot. Hold down C key during reboot. Do not start the install. From the Utilities menu, select Disk Utility. Select your hard drive from the list and then click the Partition tab button. Click the Options button and select Master Boot Record as the partition scheme. Click OK. From the Volume Scheme drop-down list, select one partition. Select MS-DOS, FAT, for the format, not that this matters since you will reformat it using NTFS during the Vista install. Click Apply. Reboot. Hold down the Alt Option key turning reboot. When the graphical boot menu appears, hit the Eject button. Take out the OS X install disk and put in your Vista with SP1 install disk. Proceed through the Vista install. When you come to screen titled Where do you want to install Windows, select Disk 0. There will be a message saying that you cannot install to that disk because it is not formatted using NTFS. Click the Drive Options link. Click the Format link. Click OK in the confirmation dialog. Now select Disk 0 and click Next. The Vista installation should proceed as normal. Once Windows is installed and loaded, insert an OS X 10.5 Leopard disk and install the Windows drivers from Apple. Thanks to Derek Hatchard's Information Flume Ride.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.